Podcast Bites.
I combine this intense time in the trenches with a blend of ancestral wisdom and modern science, searched the globe for the world's top experts in performance, fat loss, recovery, hormones, brain, beauty, and brawn to deliver you this podcast. Everything you need to know to live an adventurous, joyful, and fulfilling life. My name is Ben Greenfield. Whether it's a branched-chain amino acid or an essential amino acids actually have different chemical configurations that you get into in the book, and I think that's important for people to understand kind of the whole like left-handed versus right-handed configuration of amino acids.
Yeah, see, the body can only use the left-handed configuration. So if people are making amino acids in a laboratory and putting them in a supplement, if they're not all L form, which is the left-handed form, the body can't use them at all. And usually when they're spit out of a laboratory, unless they specifically say L-leucine, L-tryptophan, then you can assume that half of it is the R form, the right form, and they're not going to be utilized at all. Most amino acid formulas have very low amino acid utilizations, like really low.
So what you're saying is you could grab one form of essential amino acids and they might actually have the deconfiguration of the essential amino acid because it could be easier to make or it could be less expensive. But when you look at it, it could just say all the essential amino acids but not tell you on the label whether it's the L form or the R form. And a lot of companies I know of, they sell a 50-50 of each, like half L form, half R form, but that means you're getting 50% of what you just bought in terms of actual utilization versus everything being in the L form.
That's exactly right. The other thing that's important is that these should be very high grade, pharmaceutical grade, like these are really pure substances.
Yeah.
In the late 70s, there was a problem with a Japanese company that was making amino acids when they were making tryptophan. And there was this thing called erythema something syndrome where the tryptophan was actually poisoning people and there was a bunch of deaths. So you want to make sure that your source of amino acids is pharmaceutical grade and they're in the right balance and they're L form.
Avocado, motherfucker.